Well, good morning, everybody. So, it's a little chilly. I combating a heating issue over the course of the winter. So, I'm sure a lot of people know that propane's pretty expensive. We were paying about $3.30 a gallon, so we were going through about $400 of propane a month. So, I come up with a solution. Let's check it out here. All right, check this dude out. So this is used to be a sandblasting pressure tank. Flipped it upside down, cut about 12 inches out of the total height of it. Now I wish I kind of hadn't, but it's got pipes that run through. Let's get this pan out of the way. So as you can see, we've got a series of pipes running through. They're all welded. Then I made a adapter here, which surprisingly that silicone is only rated for 600 degrees and it's been holding up fine. I've got a blower inside, and then my crude method of putting flex duct on. So I got a return going in. I got another one there that the takeoff put on, using it to draw in a little bit of fresh air, and then the supply duct comes through and goes around. I got another box on this side, same deal. I left that out there so you can kind of see. We're having some heating problems last night. It was just getting way too hot, so I got to put that back on. This one here has got a damper. It goes into this camper around. So we've already got quite a bit of wood, so really didn't take much to get it going. I've got some hedge and some cedar there, but it's, I mean, other than running the blower, which I've actually got set up on a speed control for a router, so I can control how fast or slow that blower goes. Even on low speed, it's still a lot. But, and I had a cap that I made and everything on there, but I used 1/4-inch string wire. Was not a good idea burning cedar because it plugged up pretty quick. So I had to yank that off there last night. But I mean, other than running 2 amps on the blower, which is what we meter checked, just running right at 2 amps. That's all we're running. So our heating bill should go down to what, $10-15 a month. So I mean, we've got a big old hedge row there and had some trees fall, so I cut a few of them up. But the firebox, I mean, you can see how big that firebox is. This is 3 foot in diameter by, we've got probably 20 to 24 inches there we can stack up. So this load here has been in for a couple hours. Well, if we're not careful, we can push this wood stove and put out, 180 degree air through that flex duct. That's kind of why I'd shut it down a little bit last night, because it's a little out of control. But right now, I mean, it's warm. It's not bad. But it works. It works really good. As long as you keep it full of wood. And I did the tarp here just to protect everything from the rain, especially the flex duct connection and the wiring there, but it pretty much runs non-stop. So it's doing the job. It'll keep both campers warm real easy. And then once we get the house built, it'll go on the house. So, well, started framing the house yesterday, the actual walls, so we'll post a video on that pretty soon. So, there you go. There's my heating solution. So, well, we'll holler at you.